Sanmanani Molweni and welcome to the Phosphorus channel. This is a community channel not only for abantu base Phosphorus but for wonke amakasi because we discuss issues that affect abantu abahlala elokishini mostly. Today I have Usisi Ntombi who will share with us istory sakhe. It's a sensitive one, so I would request ukuthi if you have any comments, please make sure ukuthi they are respectful. If they are not, we will delete them. And you know ukuthi istory are personal to each and every person. So don't say something that nawe ungekufuna ukuthi shiwo kuwe. Sister Njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Sister Mbi uhlala kuphi? I-background yakho nje briefly injani?
Ngihlala eThokoza, eNhlapho Street. Yeah.
Ukhulela khona noma?
No, ngikhulela ngakhona, ngikhulela ngapha eForce 25.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngapha ngishifte ngoba umama nobaba bekunendlu yakamgogo nomkhulu basele kuyo.
Okay.
So bangishiya kuyo le ndlu le.
Okay. So istory ngisizwile kancane ne mangithola briefing but bengicela usixoxele istory ukuthi kwenzakaleni on that day of isigameko lesenzakala.
Okay, that time bengisasebenza i-night shift.
Okay.
So mangisebenza night shift noma labantwana bami basala nosisi wami nomntanakhe umdala firstborn yakhe. So ukuthe wama kuya kwesikhathi usisi wami basosuka umuntu sekafuna ngimbhadala. Then umntanakhe firstborn yakhe yathi hayi mamncane mina ngizokugadela abantwana. Okay fine. Mina bonke umuntu vele every month ngimkhiphe just nje kumbonga ukuthi ngigadela abantwana. Then khona ilanga ke ngathi ngiyafika ngathola vele like attitude yomntana towards yena umntana sami bengekho right yabo.
Okay.
So ngize ngimthethisa ngithi kuyayibo lo muntu umdala kuwe waye kanti ukhuluma naye kaso yabo. Then athi kimi ngimtshela mama yabo. Then ngibuza ukuthi nikhuluma ngani akekho umuntu angiphendulayo. Then ngingene ekamereni mangene ekamereni ngivala umnyango like ngibamamele. Then mangibamamelile kanjalo ulo mntanami athi kuye ngizomtshela mama ukuthi ungiyenzani. Macedile athi noma kuyafana noma ngamtshela mama akho ngeke bakubelieve. Okay fine. Maceda ukusho kanjalo that's when ke ngidonsa umntanami ngifake ekamereni. Okay. Ngimtshela ukuthi
Excuse. Kana ngicethisho. Excuse me. Thatha isikhathi noma so right.
then ke ngimbuza ukuthi kwenzakalani. Then angitshela ukuthi umntana kasiswamlala naye. Uze wamvala nomlomo amtshela ukuthi noma angasitshela ngeke simbelieve. That's when umntana wathatha isikhathi ukuthi angasitsheli. So ngithe mangiconfirm mangibuza sisi wami athi kimi mama ngile ngamtshela noma mkhulu. Mama mkhulu azange ayithathe serious. So mangimbuza sisi wami athi kimi hayi mina bengitshela ukuthi uyadlalela ngithi umntana ngadlala ngento so. Then ke okay fine ngafonela umama ngafonela ubaba. Then that time akekho umuntu vele obelieve umntana to next time ukuthi ngaze ngamthatha ngamiselo nini ngamise clinic ukuthi bayamchecka. Then mangise clinic manitsaswala esibhedlela. Then bamcheck esibhedlela bamcheck esibhedlela like khona lapha esibhedlela khona namaphoyisa vele maqeda ukucheck umntana khona namaphoyisa. Then maqeda umchecka then labo nesilana nginikeze athi kimi hamba uvula icase. Mangifika kula maphoyisa lawa athi kimi izinto eziso ezefamily noma labantu befamily bayashesha ukudrop icase so sihlale phansi esifamily sikhuluma. Then ngihambe ngendlini masifika endlini ngithole vele umntana kasisi wami that time beseseba ngasahlala endlini bebahlala ngaphandle emkhukhwini. Then mangimthola kanjalo ngimtshela ukuthi ngitholile iproof ukuthi umntana makacamba manje. Then astarte ke manje aphenike ukuthi sonke lesikhathi bela kwabhizi aphika ukuthi ve umntana munamanga. Then astarte ke sekayaphenika then afonela umama wakhe amtshele sonke istory ke ukuthi ulona vele umntana vele ukhuluma iqiniso. Then sosamashesha chayisa emsebenzini asibize nobhuti wami sihlale lapha eDan-Room. Athi kimi asitshela umntana wakhe ukuthi wenzeni. Then asho vele ukuthi lo rape umntana. Avuma yonke into ukuthi lamrape. Then usosamathatha ibhande athi simshaye. Ngambuza ngathi ukumshaya uzomtshintsha umntana aphinde abuyela be virgin na. then usisi wami athi hayi ngiyanicela bekana like he was 16 ngathi noma angana 16 umntana una 9 years akana right ukuthi alale naye. Then ke ithuleke icase ithuleke nje indaba yakhona to an extent ukuthi sengisaba nokuthi mangimsebenzini angaqhubeka yenze something umntana
still bengasasala naye.
Beka sasihlala no bese sekahlala ngaphandle yes but beba ku same yard.
Okay,
That's what the problem. That's when ke ma decide ukuthi okay fine umntana amathini athi mama at least ke solitholile iqiniso into bengifuna kuphela leyo. So ngimbuze ngithi manje awucabanga ukuthi sami sombuphisa lo mntwana. Athi mama ngifuna ukuthi kube nelona manje ukuthi singasabukwazi ukuthandana la endlini. Athi uyabona namanje ukuthi lona sokune tension la endlini. Okay fine ngiyekela indaba yakhona but ngithini okay mangibuye emsebenzini ngibona ukuthi umntana makasekho free around umntana kasisi wami. That's when ke ngitshela usisi wami ngithi ngicela ukuthi umntana wakho ahambe la angisamfuni la eJardini. Then usisi wami afonela ubaba nomama. Athi wamtshela vele ukuthi ngiqoshe umntana wakhe lapha eJardini. That's when ke umama nobaba athi decision eyami because yimi engekho comfortable ngomntana. Then ahambe ke makahamba then treatment kasisi wami towards umntana bese ngekho right. Sekamtreata kabi nje yabona. To an extent uthi umntana mawuzobhala iletter wathi ngona aphuma ahambe lapha or azibulale because akasaboni umuntu akusana since wakhuluma ukuthi umntana kasisi wami umenzeni. Sokuchintshile lapha endlini. Then ke ukumthatha kwami ke ngimisa kuma social worker. Then saloku esibhizi athena ke. Then ama social worker akhuluma naye waze wagcina vele avumile ukuthi sihambe sovula icase. Then sahamba ke nomntana msayovula icase. Siloku esibhizi ke sihamba leyo case leyo. To an extent ukuthi siloku esibhizi ngishiya sayihamba siya postpone siyahamba sayi postpone. Then ke khona ilanga ke basibiza usisi wami angibuza ukuthi ngivulile icase na ngithi uyangivulanga ngimcambela manje ngithi angivula athi ayisinzwe ungayivulanga icase ithi mina ngiyivula. Then ahambe vele makafika vele bamtshela ukuthi hayi usisi wakho already icase sekayivulile bangifonela ngifike vele. Then mangifika khona ke ulona ke usisi wami nomntana wakhe ke sebayaxolisa lapha phambi kwamaphoyisa. Then umntana kasisi wami vele asho ke ukuthi ya ngiyenzile vele ngimrapile repeatedly yabo into engayenzakanga once yabo. Then angitshela ukuthi ngidophe icase ngimcolele uzoshintsha ngeke aphinda ngithi yeah fine uzoshintsha but ngizokucolela mhlazane umntana amayitholile justice because into yangikwatisa kakhulu ukuthi before umntana kasisi wami uzohlala nathi bekahlala ne-stepmother sakhe nobabakhe umntana kasisi wami. Then kwayenzakala ukuthi lo mntana lona kwathiwa i-stepmother sakhe sathi lona umntana kasisi wami urebe umntana wakhe umncane. Then ngambuza usisi wami ngale ndaba lena usisi wami wavele wayivala nje indaba yakhona ngabona nje ngoba umntana kasisi wami sazohlala nathi lapha kuzahlala nathi bekahlala nolona
so bekaxoshiwe lapho
yelo waqoshwa.
Okay, lo mntana bayana ngakhe lo amripile
bekana 1 year.
Azange bamvulela icase?
No, azange bamvulela icase. Mina ngithe mangibuza usisi wami besizokumuntu vele uthatha indaba vele ayijike ayivale nje angafuni nje ukuthi ngithathe serious indaba yakhona because ngagcina nje ukugcina kwami kumbuza wathi kimi ulona stepmother sikaNeo sithatha umntwana samise eloneni samise eloneni eclinic. So ngambuza ukuthi okay fine makamisile lapha eclinic athi hayi bayathola vele ngithi batholani athi hayi bacabanga ukuthi umntana oreju ngithi manje wena uthini yabona athi hayi intombi ayikho lento leni uyamazi ukuthi i-stepmother sikaNeo asemthando Neo. Okay yavalwa kanjani indaba yakhona to show ukuthi lo mntana lona bekarejiwe. How come nomntana la wami wenze the same thing kuye? So yabona ukuthi lento abamqoshele yona ayizange istop lapha wayiphinda futhi wayiphinda endlini futhi.
And ujwayele uthola ukuthi nakhona ngiyazibuza ukuthi bayengakhabange mhlawumbe abarepile abathulile or abangaveli mhlawumbe abantwana bamanye ama family members or babantu aclose nabo and kwa the fact ukuthi umama uyamphikela I think into ebhlungu azele awumfazi
no khona ngelinye ilanga sathi is like bokuyi family gathering babuza ukuthi why sekune tension between mina nosisi wami yabona ngasho ukuthi usisi wami akafuni ukubophisa umntana wakhe uloku busy am protect athi bokungcono if bokuyilona maybe 5 years ukuthi umntana akhe uboshwe boma 5 years but manje if i-rape kuba i-lifetime ngeke umntana akhe aye ejele
for
washo kanje
ngicabangela umntana akhe
akanandaba ukuthi uthe yena ke umntana akhe aye for i-lifetime ejele. So ne case yami nje ngifuna ucamba manga because manje sokuyi-prosecutors ngakhi AS4 ebamba i-docket yami nje ayikho nje way forward.
So i-case since ni-attenda from which year?
2021
till manje akakayenzakali next nigcine nini uke court?
Bekuye manje ngoJanuary ngeyi-10
nakhona bayipostponile to when?
Bayipostpone ngeyi-17 zikaMarch.
So bathi kuzoyenzakalani? Ubufakazi abukho, angisho ubufakazi bukhona balithathile iphepha lelibo sokana le clinic elishoyo ukuthi umntana
balithathile. Enye into futhi engangiphathi kahle ukuthi that time baze bangibiza eRamkunuphi njengoba sisombe kathi yovula icase. Umntana kasisombe ngisho yilo wavuma yonke into ayenzile umntana. Then bamfaka ama-handcuff fine waba njengomuntu oboshwayo. But only to find out on Monday ngibabona emall banosisi wami ngase ngabuza ngathi lo muntu lo bekaboshiwe Friday so uphume kanjani athi bathi uhambile wayattenda kwenye police station then wa change statement sakhe that is why angaboshwanga, that's why aphumile.
So i-proof as much as ikhona ababhekanga ubani beka representer i-lawyer beli representer le state
government
representwe yilo from i-case iqala kuze kube manje
abantu aba-different
bayabashintsha nabo
bayabashintsha.
Hey, this is the first time I hear of
umuntu esekhilo manje uphethe idocket umuntu wesi-4 njengoba ngidla manje njalo bokomunye umuntu wesi-4.
So akusukuthi idocket ilahlekile ikhona idocket nobufakazi but okay, this is really sad and kahle we are telling this story because I know there's many people experience izinto ezisimilar to this if not the same, and at times angeke we experience it personally but ngaba nomuntu omaziyo, you know. So sizocela to community members or to anyone onolwazi ukuthi in a case like this what must happen, because usisi njoba asho ukuthi since ba attend the case from 2021 till date akunani eksenzakalayo iya postpone the next court date inge-17 zaka March and seku prosecutor uthe yesifone handle the case and nothing is happening. So if there's anyone who has information, I think in the legal sector, please get in touch with us. We'll leave our numbers in this contact because we really need justice for umntwana, because umntwana ngiya understand yenzekana 9, she's grown manje una 17 and nothing has happened, and umntana initially bekathi akafuna ukuvula case because bekafuna i-cousin ivumile i-cousin, but at least by attending a social worker uyabona ukuthi she was victimized, and this can happen to any girl child or even a boy child for that matter. So if you are able to assist, ngiyacela guys ukuthi please get people who have knowledge on how they could assist us, no Sisintombi, because this is really unfortunate, and even to family members, guys, like it's really disappointing ukuthi basayiqhuba isidala ngoba kudala this used to be something a cover up endlini kuthiwe umalume yesu yenzile into so but hayi endlini ixoxo uzawuhlawula makahlawula. Times have changed, we really need justice for umntwana, and if now you have experienced into as similar to this, kindly share with us isitori sakho ukuthi kwenzakala so that sikwazi ukusizana. So wena from abantu udinga usizo lwani?
Ngidinga usizo nje ukuthi umntana amathole justice, because like sokuyisikhathi ukumbona noma sihamba court umntana kasisi wami like akafeel na guilt ngalento ayenzi, sekazi une-pride to an extent ukuthi noma ngihamba nobaba nomama akababulisi nokubabulisa nje ngathi akusugogo wakhe nomkhulu wakhe umbona ukuthi nje akanandaba.